All right, this is the EOC practice test for Integrated Math 1, number 2. Grace and her brother need $400 to go to band camp. Their parents have agreed to help them earn money by paying them $25 each time they mow the lawn and $10 for each hour they babysit their younger brother. They have to do a combination of both chores to earn the money. Select the equation that represents the number of lawns they can mow and hours they can babysit to earn $400. All right, so a couple things that we need to notice here. So we're getting $25 to mow, $10 to babysit, and we need a combination, which means we're going to add those together. All right, so mowing is M, babysitting is B. So we're going to look at these equations and decide which one represents this scenario. All right, so M and P both start with 10M. So that's saying $10 to mow. Well, if you come up here, it says they get $25 to mow. So we can automatically eliminate the first two. And then we look at the next two, have the 25M, 10 to babysit, and it equals 400. Because it says it's a combination, that means we have to add the amount we make from each chore to add up to get to $400. So that's going to be addition instead of subtraction. That means your answer is R.